So this video right here, this video is called Why I Love Genesis Arms in a Video. You know, when the rest of the world is just being kind of normal, and I understand, I get it, and I love them for it. I like to just be an immortal. When the day comes, don't get me wrong, this is pretty sexy, and all heck's breaking loose. Woo! Woo! And woo-hoo! And it's going down. And everybody and their baby mama is just sitting there and they're like, pew, 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 pew. And they sitting there and they're just shooting at these targets. And then I roll up and I'm like, ooh, what's up, girl? Ooh, how you doing? There's just a big difference based on what you can send down range. Yeah, buddy! Yeah, baby! Woo! Genesis Arms. Because it don't leave no target standing. For the zombie apocalypse, for the win. Hope I didn't ruin my seal. That doesn't suck, and that'll keep you safe. Boom!
Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.